The next step is to create test questions, which is how we'll train and vet contributors working on our job. To create test questions, the job author submits answers to a subset of rows from the source data along with a descriptive reason explaining that answer. These questions are compiled into a quiz which contributors must pass before entering our job. Even after passing quiz mode, test questions are distributed throughout a contributor's work on our job and are used to rate their job accuracy. Contributors won't know which rows are test questions, so this is an effective way of ensuring they are following the instructions correctly. Each test question they answer incorrectly brings down their accuracy, and if they drop below the minimum required accuracy, they will be removed from the job and their work will not be used in our output. Let's create one ourselves. First off is the tweet author saying positive or negative things about American Airlines. Looks negative, they're upset about service they've received. Next, does the tweet mention an airport code? Yes, the tweet contains the code ORD, which means the author visited the Chicago O'Hare Airport. Great, we've answered our first test question. Let's save and continue. We can see the minimum number of test questions to our right, so we need to create that many in order to launch the job with quiz mode and test questions. Contributors can only see each test question once, so we need to create enough to allow them to complete multiple pages of work in the job. Go ahead and create 2 to 3 more on your own. Now that we've created one test question together, we'll just go ahead and upload the rest of our test questions to our job in the form of a test question report. Test question reports allow us to easily batch edit, create, and transfer test questions between jobs. Go ahead and download the test question report we prepared for you, and we'll upload them into the job. To do this, go back to the data page and select Add More Data. Since we have some new column headers in this report, we're shown a message to confirm that we're uploading the intended file. This gives us a chance to cancel upload if it turns out we selected the wrong dataset. Once the file finishes uploading, select Convert Test Questions. Now we can see there are 20 new test questions in our job. Let's take a look at the answer distribution. This shows us the breakdown of our test question answers so we can ensure we're covering all possibilities as evenly as possible. Let's move on to the next step.